Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can speed up or slow down a video in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, as you can see, we are in canva.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to search for a video template here. So just going to hit video, hit enter. And then as you can see, we have got lots of different video templates here. So I'm just going to create a blank video. You are able to do this if you are on the Canva free plan or the Canva Pro plan. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come and we're going to go to videos, and I'm just going to search for a woman running. Perfect. And as you can see, she is running at normal speed. So what you want to do is you want to come up to the top here and press playback. And as you can see here, we've got video speed. So you can lower it right down. So as you can see, she is now running very slow. It looks like she's actually walking. Or we can speed it up, and there we go. Look at her going super fast up that hill. And that's it, guys. That is how to speed up or slow down a video in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.